You can stand in the frame, you're good. Hey everyone, it's Adara and welcome to the first ever episode of Cooking with Adara. You guys asked for it, so I'm giving it to you. The knife that started it all. I don't think we're gonna need to use this today, but I brought it anyway, just because. Today I'm doing something really difficult. This is my mom. She's gonna be my sous chef. I like to make everything probably as difficult as possible.
Yep.
Right? Yep,
That's right.
So today I decided for my first Cooking with Adara video, I would do something really special for Martin Guitars because they've made me this incredible custom guitar. Since they made me something by hand, I should make them something by hand. So I figured I would bake something, and I asked them, well, how many people, like everyone that works at the factory in Nazareth, are there? And they came back with the number 350. So today, and hopefully 8 hours, we are gonna bake all of these cookies. One really cool thing about Martin Guitars is they're huge on sustainability and sourcing things that aren't going to negatively impact our planet. So I wanted to follow suit with that. All of these ingredients are fair trade, vegan, and they're allergy free, like gluten-free, nut-free, milk-free. So this is going to be a new experience for me. This is the first time cooking this recipe, and we're gonna do it with 350 cookies. Without further ado, let's get to it. I'm wearing the mullet of chef's outfits today. All business up top and party down below. She's sick. Alexa, how much time do we have left on the timer?
You have 2 minutes and 40 seconds left on your 9-minute timer.
My poor mom didn't know what she was getting into when she said yes to this. I honestly would be happy if I never saw a cookie again. How about you, Mom?
Oh, I don't know. Ask the Cookie Monster how it is.
Where's that joke going?
I actually got to taste the so-called rejects, and they were awesome. I just can't wait to taste the other ones, but I don't think that opportunity is going to come around.
What do you think, Bailey? Hi. Last batch is in the oven, but it's 5:13. We did it quicker than we thought. Cookies on cookies on cookies. I think we ended up making like 370 or
Close
so
to,
cookies.
yeah.
We learned a lot along the way. This was our first batch. This was our second. Yeah, it's a recipe I never made before, and of course, if you never make a recipe before, you should probably try it by making 350 of it. So. Huge thanks to my mom. Thanks for watching the first episode of Cooking with Adara. I'll have more really fun episodes, and feel free to submit your requests to me on any of my social platforms, and I'll be using my cosmic knives and more of them later. Now you're the official taste tester,
That's really good.
right? Better.
It's soft, it's chewy, it's got great flavor.
I'll see you next